What everyone needs to know about green tea. Some green tea has almost been exclusively consumed in the Asian location previously couple of centuries. Its unexpected rise in attractiveness from the Western society has also offered rise to lots of misconceptions and myths about green tea. Coupled with the unfamiliarity most Westerners had with green tea as well as the resounding echoes produced from tales of numerous medicinal and well-being attributes being claimed about green tea, lots of distinctive reactions and personal viewpoints ended up established, lots of which messed entirely what green tea was all about. An item from the similar plant where the more identified black tea is derived from, green tea just isn't a particular spin-off from an uncommon plant species, which can only be identified inside an individual region. Green tea comes from exactly the same plant where all sorts of tea are produced but is barely unique because of its processing or insufficient of it. Green tea, in contrast to black tea, does not endure the oxidation and even more importantly, the impressive antioxidants that is obviously present inside the leaves. Black tea also originally possesses these strong antioxidants, by far the most impressive of and that is the EGCG. But immediately after fermentation, the EGCG compounds undergo a means of response which breaks down the antioxidant to lesser potent compounds. Green tea is simply not a miraculous heal it all but alternatively a wealthy resource for nutrients which can complement our body's needs for the natural way transpiring compounds to optimize its self-healing and strengthening processes, like ingesting or taking in orange for vitamin C or consuming other vegetables and fruits to the natural vitamins and vitamins they contain. Ingesting green tea is furthermore beneficial for the identical rationale, but a lot more so. How's that? Effectively, green tea consists of antioxidants which are scientifically regarded to get additional economical and marketing very good well-being inside our human body. By way of example, being a weight loss supplement, green tea on its own does not ensure you will shed body weight, but incorporated in a highly effective weight reduction program which is made of a great diet program and exercising routine. The antioxidants found in green tea will improve effectiveness of assorted facets of the weight decline system, letting final results to become delivered faster. Many of these factors involve metabolic processes where whenever we melt away fat quicker, our body is able to eliminate fats quicker than we eat and create them, allowing us to get rid of pounds faster. A different aspect is through improved energy output. Most people that undergo a weight loss plan ordinarily have diminished levels of vitality as a result of less foodstuff ingestion and as such, there is no vigor for performing exercises. Consuming green tea lets your body to possess greater levels of power which may be employed for working out to burn up a lot more unwanted fat deposits. When stories of how green tea delivers many health advantages in stopping and treating diseases, this kind of as most cancer, diabetes, and various other ailments with the head and coronary heart. Many people today assume that this was either a hoax as a result of its too fantastic for being true character, or even the remedy to all their healthcare difficulties. These who thought from the latter swiftly grew to become annoyed simply because they relied exclusively on green tea and its homes to cure or handle their ailments. But I had of you the wrong plan. This doesn't indicate that green tea is to be seen only being an alternative. Sure, green tea may not avert most cancers entirely from acquiring or reduce the indications that you're finding from rheumatoid arthritis, and it could not shed you 10 pounds in 3 days to permit you fit your tiny black dress. But without the need of it, your likelihood of obtaining any on the objectives above is tremendously decreased. That is certainly that which you really need to learn about green tea. Consuming green tea on a regular basis will give you a better improved chance of acquiring a healthier entire body and prolonging your daily life. When you don't such as the thought of ingesting several cups of green tea each day, then you certainly must look at another viable possibility as well as far more useful is eating them. Taking in complete green tea leaves lets you thoroughly ingest the huge quantity of antioxidants contained in every green tea leaf in contrast to the minimal absorption of nutrients created in steeping the leaves.